Hey, it's Jennifer Sparks. I found myself in Americus, Georgia. We were here for Christmas Eve 2021. The Windsor Hotel is located on 125 West Lamar Street. It was built in 1892, but it was totally refurbished in 2020. The beds were so comfortable. I'm going to show you the room tour later, but right now we're going to be walking in and I'm going to show you the grand lobby. It was stunning. It was a fantastic place to go for Christmas. This is my first time coming to Americus, Georgia, and staying at the Windsor Hotel. I found it the line, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to go check out this place. It's beautiful. It is now run by Best Western Plus, which I have never stayed at either. So it was cool to check out both of them. For those of you that don't know, I do resort tours and reviews. I'm mostly in Orlando area. But, you know, we're driving home this time from Florida. So we're checking out all kinds of cool places to go in all neat towns. If this sounds like a cool channel for you, please subscribe. That would be awesome. Now for our room tour. The room I chose was in the middle. It wasn't a super small room with just a bed, but it wasn't a grand suite. This was considered a suite. It had 2 full queen beds, but it also had a sitting area, and it also had a refrigerator, microwave. It was really nice. Silly me, I neglected to take a picture of the ceiling. This room, the ceiling was so huge. I mean, really, really huge. It made it feel so much bigger than it even was. The furnishings were really nice and everything was really clean. There wasn't much of a view and the windows didn't open and there was no patio or anything like that. But, you know, we were only there for the one night and that really didn't matter anyway because the hotel was so beautiful and there was plenty of places to sit outside, as you'll see later. The towels were so plush and everything was super clean. I love the white and the light blue bathroom. I really liked the bathroom. It was, like I said earlier, everything was updated in 2020. Americus, Georgia is a very small and historic town. It was really nice to walk around there at night. It was all lit up. It felt very safe. There was really no restaurants or stores open because it was Christmas Eve, but, you know, it was just neat. This was right next to our room. It was a little sitting area. So, you know, even if you get a smaller room, look at all the places you could go hang out, you know? So I think the lowest price room that night I was looking was like $79, but it was just basically a small room with a bed. So, but, you know, you have the option if you want to stay, you know, in a cheaper room and then be able to sit outside. Look at this. So you go outside and you got this beautiful view. There are 2 patios like this. One is underneath here and it's a bar. It's called Floyd's. It wasn't open because it was Christmas Eve. This over here, this tower, this is where you'd find the suites. They do a lot of weddings here. There was one suite called the Bridal Suite. If you look on their website, you could actually see the suites, pictures of them, if you're more interested in that. They were double the price of what I paid. So, you know, I was only there for one night, for dinner, sleep, shower, and we were leaving again. So this right here is where they would have the restaurant. They have a restaurant which has fantastic ratings. I was really looking forward to eating there, but it was closed. It's called Rosemary and Thyme. And like I said before, they had Floyd's bar. I love that chair. You know, if you like this kind of style, you'll love this hotel. This place has a 4.5 stars on TripAdvisor, and the negative reviews were pretty much people that didn't understand it, that, like, you know, expect more like a Courtyard Marriott, you know, where everything's real fancy and, you know, new. This isn't. This is, you know, it's stepping back in time kind of place. It's I don't know. It's so charming. I absolutely love it. If you're enjoying this video and if I sold you on this hotel and you want to see more of what Americus is like and what my night was like there, I did a separate video of my Christmas Eve in Americus, Georgia, which I just posted yesterday. I will leave that video at the end of this video. You just click on it and you can watch that if you want to see more of what this town is like. I loved it. I thought it was super cool. And now we're on our way to Mackay Valley, North Carolina, where we'll be spending a week. For those of you that watch my channel that are with Interval International, I was able to score a last-minute reservation there for 7 nights on one of those certificates that they give you. I was really, really super excited because it was kind of on the way home, and I'm here now, and it's really nice. Anyway, I'll be making videos of that in the future. If you like this video, please subscribe. That would rock. Thank you for watching. Safe travels, too.